Hello, Dr. Malusky. This is Jasmine Randall, and I am creating this video because I had a question. I received the feedback and the score for my peer review feedback on their drafts, and I noticed that on your end, my comments may not be showing. So here is the submission that I submitted on July 13th for Patricia. And when it opens on my end, I'm seeing the comments that I left in the layout that you set out for us, and I also see the comments. And then also when I'm opening the my next peer review for Sierra, I'm seeing the same thing. So the purpose of this video is to see if I could get some support or redirection on what could I do so that you're able to see the feedback. Is there something in the settings that I should have turned on? Because I remember doing the track changes, but I'm just not sure if I could have done it differently. And then also, do you prefer this feedback in this form, or was there a different expectation? Because I also saw the group announcements that you left for our class course. And so I appreciate your time as always, and thank you. I'll wait until I hear back from you.